how to make a ton transaction in Xempire. We'll be showing you a step-by-step process on how to do so. So if you've already set up a ton wallet, you can go ahead to the next step, which is to link or integrate your ton wallet with Xempire. So check your wallet for wallet integration, and you may need to input your wallet address or scan a QR code to link your wallet with your game account. So once that's done, you can go ahead and secure your wallet. Then our next step is to make a ton transaction in Xempire. So select the transaction type. So if you're buying in-game currency, items, and whatnot that involves the ton, then select the appropriate purchase options that supports the ton currency. Then you can go ahead and choose your payment option. Then you can finally enter your transaction details. So the amount, your recipient address, and the transaction confirmation. So once everything is correct, you can go ahead and finally confirm the transaction. You can go ahead and pause the video so that you'll be able to see this exact step and the actual process of making a ton transaction in Xempire. So if this video helps you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.